Sanibel Public Library is now proud to offer a GoPro, which you can check out with your library card. In addition to the GoPro itself, each kit contains several accessories, like this clip, this armband, a headband for those of you who'd prefer to record from the comfort of your forehead, an SD card reader so you can get your footage off the GoPro and onto your own device, and a chest band. And of course, the GoPro itself, with its very own selfie stick and waterproof case. For those of you who aren't too familiar with GoPro, they're actually not too complicated to use. You just use the side button to change the mode between photo, video, and time-lapse, and this top button here to start recording and to turn the camera on and off. It may be easier to do this with two hands instead of one. The kit checks out for 1 week, but when you return it, make sure all the accessories are in the box. We've published a list right on top of the box of everything that's included so you can double check before you return the kit. When you return the kit, please bring it right up to one of the service desks instead of putting it in the book drop. Have fun!